Now, a big problem on BMW cars in general, whether the aftermarket wants to admit it or not, are bearings. And I'm not just talking about M cars. People know that M cars are commonly having rod bearing failures, but I think it's actually on a whole an epidemic for most BMWs. The reason you see it on M cars more predominantly is because they use a heavier weight oil. BMWs run very tight tolerances, 15 10,000ths on the main bearings, and those coupled with wear, mileage, age on the car, and in this case, the customer wanting to double the horsepower on his N54 can result in rapid failure where they were good right before then. I mean, a matter of 4 dyno pulls, we went from having no noise to hearing a rod knock. Pulling it down, we inspected and noticed number 6 is failed, and I guarantee you, if we pull down the rest of them, we're gonna see a little bit of wear more heavily than you'd expect. Something to keep in mind when you're either modifying your high mileage vehicle. Is it something that you'd want to do preventatively? That's for you to decide. It is going to incur a big cost in labor and the difficulty sometimes in finding the bearings, sizing them up. It's not just a matter of ordering one size bearings and slapping them in there. Sometimes you got to mix and match and play a little bit in order to get it just right. Make sure you're keeping that in mind when you go to modify BMW cars, especially the turbo ones.